Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to J.P.BBQ. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a very simple, delicious Mexican tostadas. You guys stay tuned. I'm going to show you how these tostadas come out JP style. Check it out. Let's go ahead and get this show on the road, guys. Let me get this Camp Chef fired up. There we go. And what we're looking for is like a medium to low heat. We just want enough to start heating up this oil. We'll put it right around there. And as you can see, I got the 15-inch Matfer. It's huge, big enough skillet, you know, so we can fry up these tortillas. We're gonna be using a little bit of canola oil. And all we need is a thin layer of this canola oil, right around there. And we're gonna be frying us up some tostadas. Okay, we'll let that heat up and we'll go ahead and get this other one fired up. That way we can get our ground beef done. Yeah, these are gonna be some special tostadas. We'll get that bad boy down to medium to low heat. Let's go ahead and get our ground beef in here. And I'm just using some ground chuck, 80-20. Got some nice fat on it. There we go. And we're gonna season this up with our J.P.BBQ. This is an all-purpose blend of salt, pepper, garlic. You guys check it out. I got it on my website. I'll put a link to it right here, and it'll pop up right there as well. Let's go ahead and let me lower this down a little bit more. Get this ground beef broken up. There we go. A little bit of the J.P.BBQ. Don't need much. There we go. We'll call it good. And we'll get this ground beef cooked up. And I think my oil over on this side is getting a little bit hot. Let me lower it down some. There we go. Let's see what this tortilla acts like. Oh yeah, there it is. What you want. When it's sizzling like that, it's gonna come out nice and toasty. There we go. Lower this heat down some. Let me go ahead and drop maybe 2 more in there. That's the nice thing about this Matfer. It's big enough that I can put 3 or 4 of these at the same time. All right, so I'm gonna get this ground beef cooked up and I'm gonna get these tostadas toasted up, and we start building us this tostada pretty soon. Let me get this bad boy flipped. Oh yeah, look at that. What you want. Just like that, that looks good. So let's go ahead and build this Mexican tostada, guys. Fried up my corn tortillas already. Got a little bit of refried beans right here. Just put your nice little layer of some refried beans. Get your ground beef that you cooked up a little bit earlier. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be delicious. And then we're gonna garnish it with some cheese. Over here on the side, I got me some queso fresco. So we'll get me some queso fresco. Oh yes sir, just look at that. That looks absolutely gorgeous. And we're also gonna put Mexican blend of cheeses on here as well. There we go. Yes sir, that looks good. And we're gonna garnish it. We're not done garnishing it yet. Earlier today I made a pico de gallo. Very simple recipe. You got onions, jalapeno, lime. You cut those up first and you get them in the bowl, and you get them with lime juice in there, and you let it marinate for about 15 minutes, and then you add your tomatoes and your cilantros. That's gonna kick it up to that next level, and they're gonna come out. It's gonna come out fantastic. Let me show you what this pico de gallo looks like. Look at that. Doesn't that look absolutely gorgeous? Pico de gallo done Mexican style. Let's get us a little bit right here. Yes, sir. I'm not crazy about tomatoes. You know, don't get me wrong. I do like tomatoes. I just don't like a lot of tomatoes. I like more onions and jalapeno, you know, on my tostada. Now look at that. Isn't that a gorgeous looking tostada? Absolutely beautiful. Looks wonderful. Time to plate this bad boy up and give it a little taste test and see what it's all about. Here we go. Oh wow, it looks good. The only thing that I would suggest maybe putting else on it is some queso crema. I don't have any queso crema, but I mean, this is the perfect Mexican tostada. You got the corn tortilla, and then you start with your layers: the refried beans, the ground beef, the queso fresco, the Mexican blended cheeses, and your pico de gallo. Nobody's going to turn this down. You do this for your friends or your family, and they're going to love you forever. Let's give it a little taste test. Mmm. Woo. Nice and crunchy. Mmm. Oh my God. I know what I'm missing. Gotta give it a little lime juice. Put that lime juice on there. That's gonna kick it up some more. Here we go. Oh my God. This is absolutely delicious. I haven't made these in such a long time. Very simple recipe. You'll love it. Easy to make. Just really good. I can eat the whole thing right now, but where's my rag? I got to get this wrapped up because the family's hungry. They want to eat. You know, I got to feed them. So, anyway, guys, if you get a chance, do me a favor. You know, go check out my website. I'm gonna put a link right here. This is where I sell my barbecue rubs and sauces. I used J.P.BBQ to season the ground beef today. There it is right there. You guys can see it. The J.P.BBQ. Very good blend of salt, pepper, garlic. I also want to thank my viewers for watching my videos. I also want to give a special thanks to my Patreons. If you haven't been to my Patreon account, I'm going to put a link right here. And it'll pop up right there too. If you're interested in sponsoring or promoting or helps, you know, support this channel, be greatly appreciated. But besides that, guys, we're done. Thank you very much. I love you guys, and I will see you guys on the next cookout. You guys have a good one and be safe. I love y'all.